Hello everyone, welcome to my video, and today's topic is soil. Soil is the topmost layer that covers the surface of the earth. We know that plants grow in the soil, and as plants give us oxygen and food, it follows that soil is very important for life on earth. Can you guess what soil is made up of? It is made up of small pieces of rocks of different sizes. Bigger rocks break down and form smaller rocks. The smaller rocks break down and further into still smaller and finer particles. This is called soil. Soil is very important for life on earth. Soil supports plants, and plants produce food and help to maintain oxygen level in the air. Soil is formed by the wearing away of rocks by wind, water, and the roots of plants. These forces keep breaking down into smaller and smaller pieces till we get a fine powder. This fine powder is called sand. Sand is light and dry. The process of soil formation takes hundreds of years, and so we can imagine how old the soil. Observe the pictures and see how soil is formed. In the first one, in the beginning, the earth was covered with rocks. Yes. The next one, the heat from the sun heated the earth's surface and rain cooled it. As a result, the rock surface cracked. Okay. The next one, the wind and flowing water within the cracks. With time, the rocks broke into the different pieces. Yes, you see this one. Gradually, the pieces of rocks change into pebbles, sand, and clay. Thus, soil was formed. Next one, then the tiny plants grew and their remains mixed with the soil. And next one, the later the animals appeared and their remains to mix with the soil. It is found that the process of soil formation takes hundreds of years, and so we can imagine how old the soil. So, by observing the pictures, we can say that it is a lengthy process. It takes a lot of time. The formation of soil takes a long time. Takes a lot of time. Soil once lost takes a long time to be built up again. It takes about 500 years for the nature to make 1 inch of topsoil. Now one question may arise in your mind. What is topsoil? The uppermost layer of soil made up of fine sand is called topsoil. Our next topic is, what does soil contain? As I have already told you that soil is made up of small pieces of rocks of different sizes. Isn't it? But actually the soil that covers the surface of the earth is made up of many layers. The different layers of soil contain small pebbles, clay, sand, and air. Soil forms layers only when mixed in water. Since most plants grow in the soil, it also contains the remains of plants. Similarly, many animals too live in or on the soil, and so soil also contains the remains of these animals. Next, the different layers of soil, which we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.